I was always really self-conscious about my teeth
because I used to have a gap and my teeth were all sticking out. It was really weird.
My teeth were very bad.
I always had like a gap. My teeth were overlapping each other.
I had a couple that were really messed up right here on the side, and
like, you know, between the two front teeth. And it felt weird and I just didn't like it at all.
I felt like when I smiled, that was the only thing that I noticed.
I wanted them to be straight and pretty. I always kind of knew that I would probably have to have them.
And they let me know exactly what to expect in that first visit, and everything went great from there.
Fastbraces is a new technology. Science comes together with art, and with the new techniques and the new design of the bracket, it helps us move the orthodontic process for our patients. In other words, makes it quicker. Instead of 2 years, it takes less than a year, sometimes between 5 and 10 months. Fastbraces are fast, based on the technology that they've used over the last 20 years. It's a triangular bracket compared to the old school means of a square bracket.
I actually have a friend. He's had like the regular, just standard braces, and he's had them about 3 years now, and he still hasn't gotten them off, so.
it was so fast. I mean, really, it was. I had them on not even 11 months.
I love the time because I'm in high school, so I like just having it for 1 year, not being a kid that has to go all through high school with braces on.
Fastbraces, it actually happens in a year or less.
They're very fast and they're very good too.
I had them on starting senior year in high school, and I actually got them off before graduation for graduation pictures.
Easily done in 3 months.
Just the transformation was so quick and incredible.
The new design is able to move the teeth and the root system together as one whole unit versus the old school means where what you see above the gum, the teeth move first and then the roots come in second. Makes it a little bit faster with the Fastbraces, 5 to 10 months versus 1 to 2 years with traditional means. Fastbraces are safe. They're no different than any other of the other old school technology. It's just a little bit quicker and a little more predictable.
Some of the key moments and points during the Fastbraces technology development was when I began seeing the results of the independent university research. All these studies were statistically significant, and that told me that we really had something unique here, because you had independent universities in different continents giving you results back to back to back, all done at the graduate level in Department of Orthodontics around the world. We have collected treatment evaluations of consecutively treated patients. So we know what the patients have said and how they felt about their treatment. Not just random, consecutively treated patients. We ask them to fill out a treatment evaluation, and we can see exactly what they say. The words are fantastic, awesome, amazing.
Fastbraces over 20 years with the technology, the clinical research, and the university studies. If you're in the academia, that's all covered, so there really shouldn't be any concerns or skepticism in regards to the cost versus how fast it is versus it being new.
It became obvious that we had something really unique, that the goal of straightening people's teeth in a few months versus a few years is a reality. And nowadays with Fastbraces, as we bring in non-doctors around the United States and the world, this is really exciting. In order to have straight teeth and a properly finished orthodontic result, one needs to have the roots of the teeth and the bone parallel. It's called root parallelism. With the old traditional braces, the effort was placed on moving the crowns first of the teeth, and then as time went on, the roots of the teeth, because of the mechanics that were involved at the time. It was not feasible to begin moving the roots from the beginning of treatment. The Fastbraces technology allows us to upright the roots from the beginning of treatment, and therefore get root parallelism early on in treatment, and therefore finish cases in a few months sometimes.
Fastbraces are easy due to the technology and the design. There's one wire that engages into the bracket. There are less appointment visits, less doctor time, and less time out of your schedule. So it's a lot easier to show up for appointments.
Once you get them on, get them started, and just keep coming back and forth, it goes by really quick.
I play a musical instrument, so I think it's just good to have them on and then off, and Fastbraces is just a great way to make that happen.
I'm so pleased with the results. I get so many compliments from my friends and family, and I'm so happy. I'm so happy I decided to do it.
With the traditional means, if you're familiar with traditional orthodontics, there's a lot of cranking and rubber bands and wires and ligation. With the Fastbraces technology, one wire, few visits, and 5 to 10 months you're done.
They feel fine. I mean, I don't really notice them. I'm used to them. They don't hurt at all.
I didn't experience too much discomfort, less than I thought I would.
Fastbraces are affordable because of the technology and the 20-year studies done at the graduate level in orthodontic programs. They're more affordable because there's less doctor time. They're more affordable because there's one wire compared to maybe 5 or 6 or 10 wires with traditional orthodontic means.
My mom was doing research over braces because we needed a better deal than what we were getting at our local dentist. And so she found Fastbraces and she's like, wow, it's very fast and it's a better deal and we can do this. So that's when I guess I realized, oh my gosh, I'm getting braces.
We did some research, and basically what we found is just Fastbraces was the best value, and for my situation and my younger brother's situations as well.
We originally went to several dentists, and this was the least expensive, and it seemed like they'd have the least time limit, and it just seemed like the best deal.
It was affordable. It was a great process.
With technology, if we can do it quicker and possibly better, you don't have to see me as often. You don't have to miss time from work as often. With the economy and the gas prices, that's always a concern, and some of our patients do come from quite a considerable distance. So less gas is expended for. So if you go through the steps, technology's better, it's quicker, I see you less, you pay less, and everybody's happy. In my practice, we're committed to making sure your smile stays happy and healthy for the rest of your life. With the Fastbraces technology, when we complete your smile, there is a lifetime satisfaction agreement.
If you get your braces off and you're all pretty and then your teeth start moving again, like you forget to wear your retainer or you break your retainer or something, you can come back in and they'll fix your teeth again for you for free.
As long as there's a Fastbraces, I can go in and get my teeth fixed for free, and all I have to do is pay for the retainers.
Fastbraces are fast, safe, easy, and affordable. And if this sounds like it's something that you have interest in, I'd like to offer you an opportunity to come to my practice for a free consultation and examination to see if you are a candidate for Fastbraces.
I love Fastbraces and I approve this message.